Going to have a go at something a little different. We've managed to get what I think might be a workable lump of HDPE. I have spotted a few little voids, but I'm going to have a go and see what happens with it. I've cleaned up all this area here. I've boarded off and sealed, so hopefully I can capture and recycle the vast majority of curls and crap that comes off it. Let's see how it goes. There we go, nice and tight, but it's in. As you can see, the other side was relatively flat. Because that had been in the bottom of my mould, which is an old saucepan that I've repurposed. But this side was very uneven and actually had a bit of a bubble, but I'm not overly worried about that. That was solid enough. So hopefully I should be able to do something with it. a few bits and pieces like this out of it. And that's where air's been trapped in between. Most of you know I'm very new to turning, so don't call me out on the terms and names of them if I've got them wrong, but feel free to correct me in a nice way in the comments. It's 37.5 mil. I think I can go down a fair old bit further than that. I'm really pleased with that, to be fair. I'm just going to clean up that a little bit more. Bit of all colours in here. Strange mottled effect. Don't know how deep I can go before I'm going to get too weak though. So I think I'm going to put a little chamfer on that. Phenomenal how good that finish is. There are some very tiny little voids in it, and they really are tiny. I'll try and get some close-up photos of that and pop them on at the end. Don't know whether you can pick them up. They really are tiny. And as you can see, there's a few little impurities in it, and that's because the first attempt at this did go a bit, for want of a better word, tits up. There you go, look, just a few. But inside there are none. That is totally smooth and totally solid. So I suppose I could try and run down a little more. Considering it's recycled crap that we throw away every day, I'm actually quite amazed how easy and how well it finishes. Providing you don't get any inclusions in it, you know, they spoil it a little bit, and you use the food grade, which obviously all the milk bottles are. There's no reason why you couldn't have your cornflakes out of it if you chose to.